Hello friends, welcome to SahuStudies. In this video, we are going to see how ascending and descending function works in Scala. So, why do we use ascending and descending function? It is used to sort the column of a data frame. So, in this exercise, what I am just doing, I am just importing all the required variable. Here I am creating a custom schema with the help of a struct type and the struct field. Here I am defining 6 column and its data type. Here what I'm doing, I'm reading a CSV file with the help of a spark.read.csv function and passing the path of the CSV file which we are going to read with the help of this custom schema which we have defined here. Once this data frame gets created, on top of the data frame, I am calling this sort function. In sort function, on which column we are sorting it? We are sorting it based on this AP name with ascending order. So here how the data will getting sorted in this column. Ascending order says from lowest to highest. If it is text, then the data will be sorted from A to Z. If it is of integer type column, the data is getting sorted from lowest to highest, means from 1 to 100. Again we are sorting the column with AP name only with the help of a descending function. So what it will going to do, how it will going to sort? If the data type is of integer string type, the sorting will be done from Z to A, and if it is of a numerical column, the data is getting sorted from 100 to 1. Once this both data frame gets created, I am just displaying the data frame with the help of a display function. So till here, till reading of the data, reading of the CSV file and creating the data frame, we have done multiple times. So I am going to copy the code from one of my previous exercise and I will show you how this ascending and descending function going to work in Scala. So let's go to the Databricks. Let's create a notebook. Name it ascending and descending. Connect this notebook with our currently running cluster. Let's copy the code till creation of the data frame by reading a CSV file. This code will import all the required libraries in this notebook. This is the custom schema which we are going to use during the reading of the CSV file. This is the CSV file which we are reading with the help of a spark.read.csv function. Let's run the code one by one. All the required libraries are available in this notebook. This custom schema has been created successfully. We have read this CSV file and created this data frame. Let's see the content of this data frame. Okay, now let's see how we can use ascending and descending function. First, let's create a variable ap sort sc underscore df dot sort. On which column we are going to sort? We are sorting on ap underscore name and we are sorting in ascending order. Ascending. Let's run it. We display this data frame. We can see This ascending order means if it is text, then the data will be sorted from A to Z. So that's why I is coming first, then M, then S, then SU, then Y. Let's sort this data in descending order. So what I'm going to do, I'm just copying this code, changing the data frame name to DESC, and here change instead of ascending, I am putting this descending order. Let's run it. Display the content of this data frame. We can see now it is in the descending order. The AP column is of a string type. So how the column is going to sort? It will going to sort from Z to A. That's why Y is coming first, then S, then M, then I. So we have seen how to sort with the help of ascending and descending function on string type column. Let's see how we can sort on integer type column. I am copying the code to save time. Sort integer column, and the integer column is AP salary, and we are sorting based on the ascending order. Let's run it. Let's see the content. We can see this AP salary is sorted based on the ascending. So it is a numerical column. So how it is going to sort from 1 to 100. That's why 10,000 coming first, then 50,000, 70,000 like this. Let's sort in descending order and let's see how it looks like. This ascending, let's put descending here, and here instead of ascending we are sorting this column based on the descending order. Let's run it. Now see the content. See, now the AP salary is of integer type. We are sorting in the descending order. So first it will going to sort from 100 to 1. That's why this 2 lakhs is coming first and 10,000 is coming at the last. So in this video we have seen how we can sort a column of a data frame using ascending and descending order. Let's go to the PPT. Thank you. If you like content of my video, then please subscribe my channel, like it, comment on it, and press the bell icon to get notification whenever I add videos.